simplest usage, most common use of Python command line. So create a file, for example sample2.py, and just write a simple program to print hello message. Okay, if I run through IDE Python, it will print like this. And if I run through terminal, just type python 3 and then file name. My file sample2.py is under this directory, command line arguments, so I need to locate that first, and then underneath sample2.py, and just run it. It will, what it will do, it will read the sample2.py file and execute each statement within it, and thus it will print namaste world. Thank you.